Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll continue with our STARR test and we're going to look at question 26. A can in the shape of a cylinder has a diameter of 6 centimeters, and a height of 10 centimeters. Which measurement is closest to the total surface area of the can in square centimeters? So we are looking for the surface area of the can, which is a cylinder. Now let's think about what do we need to know to find out the surface of a cylinder? Well, the cylinder, it consists 3 parts. So one part is the top area. Since this is a can, so this is the lid. And the other part is the bottom area, right? So the top and the bottom. Because this is a cylinder, we know the top and the bottom, those are the circles. They are circles. Do you still remember the formula for circle areas? Right. The area for circle, the formula is pi times the square of radius. So that's the formula for the top circle. And we also need the area for the bottom. All right. So we need pi radius squared for the top and pi times radius squared for the bottom as well. So these are the 2 parts of the surface of the cylinder. And we also have another part. Another part is the side. So imagine that we use scissors to cut out from this side. We cut out from this side and we roll the side flat. We roll it flat. Then we will have a rectangle when we roll out this side. And the height of this side is equal to the height of this original cylinder. So this is the height. And this part, the length is equals to the circumference of the circle, because we rolled it out. So this side is equal to the circumference. So this area of this rectangle will be height times the circumference. Height times circumference. Now, circumference of this top circle, the formula for this, do you still remember that formula? It's 2 times pi times radius. So that's the formula for circumference of the circle. So we are going to use h times 2 pi radius. So this will equals to h times 2 pi radius, right? So that's the area for this side. In the end, we need to add the top area and the bottom area and the side area. So it's going to be pi radius squared for the top, pi radius squared for the bottom, and h height times 2 pi radius for the side. And that is going to be our total surface area. Now we can go ahead and do the calculation. Pi. The radius here, So let's take a look at radius. I'm going to wipe this out for now, since we already have this. in a circle, this distance across the circle passing through the center, this is the diameter. And the diameter is 6. But we only need a radius. Radius is from the center to one side. So this radius is half of the diameter. Radius is just half of 6, so radius is 3. So this is one common mistake. Sometimes students mistake diameter for radius, and we have to be careful with this. The radius is half of the diameter, which is 3. Radius is 3. So here, pi times 3 squared plus pi times 3 squared plus the height. The height here. The height is 10. So plus 10 times 2 times pi times 3. First part, pi. Remember, if your calculator has the pi, you can use that button. If it does not have the pi, you can use 3.14. So 3.14 times 3 squared, and that's going to be 28.26. So the first top area is 28 times 26. And we know the bottom area is the same, so I'm going to write down 28.26 again. And lastly, it's the 10 times 2 times 3.14 times 3. And that's going to be 188.4. So we're going to add another 188.4. Let's add them up. 28.26 plus 28.26 plus 188.4. And the result is 244.92. So our answer is 244.92. That is our answer. The one closest to our answer is this one. It's not exactly the same because there are some differences. Remember, we didn't have that pi button on the calculator, so we used the approximate value of 3.14. So that's the reason for this difference. But still, this is the closest answer to 244.92. So our choice, the correct answer here is G. Did you get the correct answer?